In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a channel on your desktop. Whether it's tidying up your space or just managing members, knowing how to efficiently remove someone can be really useful. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the channel from which you wish to remove the individual. This might be a work group, a casual hangout, or any shared space where you've been collaborating with others. Channels are the foundation of communication, so managing them well is crucial. Once you're in the channel, look for the cluster of profile pictures, or alternatively, you can also click on the channel name itself, then head over to the section that says Members. This will take you to a list where you can see everyone who is part of the channel. Now, this member list is essentially your control panel for managing who is involved in your channel. Go ahead and browse through it to locate the person you want to remove. Once you find them, there will be a 3 dots icon right next to their name. This icon is your gateway to various options, including our goal today, removing someone from the channel. Click on that 3 dots icon and you'll see an option that says Remove from Channel. Selecting this option will prompt a confirmation. This confirmation step is important as it prevents any accidental removals. You'll be asked to verify if you really want this person to be removed. Take a moment to double-check your decision, as this action can't be undone easily. Once you're certain, go ahead and confirm your choice. And just like that, the person is no longer a part of your channel. This process helps keep your workspace organized and ensures that only the necessary people are part of your communications. As a small tip, make sure you have the right permissions to remove members from the channel. Typically, this ability is granted to admins or individuals with specific roles. If you don't see the option to remove someone, it could be a permissions issue, so you might need to reach out to an admin for assistance. Managing your channels effectively can significantly enhance your workflow and communication within any group. These small steps add up to a more streamlined and efficient way of working. So, now that you know how to manage your channel members, you can ensure that your communication remains clear and focused. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with channel management, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.